What's up, design lovers? Welcome to Design Masters, brought to you by Unity Makers. I'm your host, Robinson Esialimba, CEO at Unity Makers. Unity Makers is actually one of the leading furniture design and production companies in Kenya. And for the last 7 years, we've had the privilege of working with some of the most talented designers in this country. On this show, we're going to take you on a discovery journey to some of the most beautifully designed spaces, not just in Kenya, but actually on the continent. We're talking offices, we're talking restaurants, we're talking hotels, and even private homes. But what's really cool about this show is that we're going to introduce you to the designers, the creative geniuses that imagine these spaces. We're going to talk to them, understand exactly what inspires them, learn how they craft their magic. Then we're going to go on location to visit one of their favorite projects and understand exactly how they conceptualized and realized this. If you're a designer, or you know a designer, or better still, you know of a beautifully designed space that you'd like to see featured on this show, why don't you reach out to us on our email address, designmasters@unitymakers.com, or you can comment on the video below, or even better, reach out to us via our social media pages. Welcome to Design Masters.